What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make money online fast, even if you are broke. Okay, this method is 100% free traffic, and in this method, I'll absolutely going to teach you how you can make $4,000 to $5,000 from broke. Okay, you do not need to invest even a single penny. If you are very much excited to know how to make money online fast with free traffic, then smash the like button now. And if you are new to the channel, go below the video and subscribe to our channel if you are into the niche of making money online, entrepreneurship and business. Okay, you can, after you subscribe, you can also comment down I have subscribed or hi, so that I can really welcome you to the family, as I am very much interested. I'm very much excited that you are now a part of the family. Okay, so now moving to our topic. First of all, you want to make money and you are broke. Okay, many says that you can't make money. You are broke. If you are broke, you have to invest money and blah blah blah, but all they are bullshitting. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to create, we are going to learn over here how to collect leads with free traffic and tons of leads with little effort. Okay, you just need to do this thing one time. First of all, you need to create an opt-in page. You can create this with GetResponse, and let me tell you that GetResponse is having 1 month free trial, and further Mailchimp is free up to some subscribers, like 1,000 2,000 or whatever it is. And there are lots of ManyChat, it's a Facebook Messenger bot. It is also free up to 1,000 subscribers, so you can go for them and create an opt-in page. Okay, after you create an opt-in page, let's say this is your opt-in page. Okay, what a crappy opt-in page. Okay, now after you have created the opt-in page, you need to provide some freebie offer over there. Okay, only then everyone will be coming over there and will enter their email. So what you need to do, either write an ebook or create a video training. And now if you will say that I do not know anything, how can I create that ebook or something like that? So what you need to do, just go to Google and learn something. Just go to YouTube and learn something. There is a lot of free content. You can learn anything from YouTube, Google, and just make a training on it. Okay, make a very valuable video or training or whatever you want. The more and more valuable you will make, the more and more money you will make. Okay, after you have created that training over here now, so you have done two things. First of all, you have created the opt-in page and you have also created that training. Okay, after that you need to drive traffic to this offer so that you can really make money. You can collect leads and thereafter you can promote offer. So how you can do so, I'm going to tell you about the 3 traffic sources that are absolutely insane and no one else is using them. First of all, the Pinterest. Pinterest is really great traffic source, and it has been researched that 90% of the Pinterest users come to the Pinterest for the purpose of the buying something, because they are getting lot of knowledge. Okay, lots of value. So what you need to do, just go to the Pinterest and create an account over there. Okay, after you create an account over there, let me just show you something. Pinterest. Okay, what you need to do, just go to the Pinterest and just wait for a second. Yeah, let's say you are on the Pinterest. You need to do 3 things. First, follow and unfollow. Follow and unfollow. In the starting, just follow 120 people every single day. Okay, after a week you can go to 200 or even 300. You can follow all of them, and those who do not follow you, unfollow them. Okay, unfollow them, and you will see that the guys you are following, 30 to 50% will follow you back. So in a month you will be having about 5,000 following. Okay, so here you have 5,000 following. Okay, the second thing you need to do is start creating pins. It's kind of post which is called pins on the Pinterest. Okay, so after you will creating the pins, just keep on doing every single day pins, so that lot of traffic will be generated and coming to your Pinterest account. Okay, it should not leave like blank. The third thing that you need to do is just go and just go on the group boards, group pins, group boards, and you will see, okay, I need to log in. It will take a lot of time. Just let me do it for this anyway. For example, there are group boards. Group boards basically are the groups, just like Facebook groups, where there are lots of members. For example, you enrolled into the 5 groups, okay. You need to talk to the group owners and ask them if you can join them. Most 90% of them will agree, because they will get content for their group, and you will get clicks and engagement, traffic for your account, okay. So you need to do that, okay. So let's say you joined 10 groups of 10k. That means you are having about 100k visitors from the groups. So now out of this, we are only taking that, out of this only 300, I'm taking the bare minimum. Although you will get at least 1000 members from here only, 1000 email list members from here only, but I am saying just 300 members from here, okay. And now back to over here, YouTube. You need to go to the second traffic source is YouTube. You do not need to create any videos. Remember, you do not need to create videos. Just go to the popular video ones who are having 1 million subscribers or even 100k subscribers. Whenever they publish any of the video, like if you are in the if you are in any niche, go and find the big channel in your niche, okay. Whenever they hit any video, just go and go to their comment box and see there are lots of people who are commenting over there. But this channel is very big. The owner is not going to reply to all of the comment. So what you need to do, just reply to them, give them answer, and in the answer give the link to your opt-in. Just like someone is asking how to make $100 a day, you can tell him something like this is the free training for you to make $100 a day. So in that way you will generate lots and lots of clicks. And remember, the traffic is really like laser targeted traffic. You will get tons and tons of traffic from there only, okay. Now from here, at least if you are gonna to answer just 50 questions every single day, it is not gonna to take you that much time. You will be having 1500 answers, and out of 1500 answers, just to say only 300 will at least be in your opt-ins, because the traffic is laser targeted. Remember this, okay. So you got 300 opt-ins from here and 300 opt-ins from here, and further from here in the last scene you can go to the Instagram and do the same thing as you have done in the Pinterest, or you can go to the channel, to my channel, and you will find a video how you can drive traffic from the Instagram, okay. What you need to do, I'm going to tell you in the short. Just go to any big channel, big account like this in the Make Money Online niche, see what is popular, okay, and share the same post, but give the credit to whosoever post you are posting, okay. Just like Tai Lopez, you need to give the credit to the Tai Lopez, okay. You can give the credit by writing his name by Tai Lopez and something like that. That is not gonna to make you against copyright, okay, because you are giving credit to him. And after you are gonna to make those posts, you'll start generating tons of traffic, and you need to do the same thing. Follow 100 people every single day, and unfollow who are not coming, and thereafter you need to put a link of the opt-in over here. You will see that you will start getting tons and tons of clicks and at least 300 click members from here. So in the last, what's the thing, you have generated over a list of 900 members within a month with absolutely free traffic. And as per the marketer, as per the research, it has been seen generally my email list has about $5 per email, $4 to $5, because it depends on the value, how much value you give, okay. This is my previous result, but now I am making about 100k every single year from a list of just 1000 members. I'm gonna to reveal you all this stuff in the coming videos, okay. Basically, I give so much value that whenever I promote any product, the conversion is very much higher. So what you can do, how you can now make about $3,000 from this list of just 900 members. Just to select any high ticket product, let's say $1,000 product, a webinar you can promote, which is giving you $500 commission, and out of this 900, only 9, that's just 1%, are gonna to come. So boom, you have made over and over $4,500. You just do not need anything else. So you can see the power of this is what the anyone is not gonna to make that much money from this. You just need to give them value and promote just one or two offer that should be valuable. So it's bare simple, anyone can do this. You just need to take action and be consistent. If you are not going to get any lead on the first day, don't just sit on your couch and start watching television. Just keep on doing this, you'll start getting insane results. And once you will be having a list from here, you have made over and over $4,500. Now you can invest in it in the paid traffic and can really make money on autopilot. Okay, so this was all about how you can make money online fast and a ton of money. Okay, so this is how, if you are making 5,000 US dollars within just a month, so that means if you are going to invest this, at least it will be $1 per email, you will be generating 4,500 leads from here as well. So from a list of 5,000 members, you will be making at least 100k every single year on complete autopilot. So this was the trick on how you can make insane amount of money. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also comment down how do you like the video. If you don't like, let me know down in the comment section what you didn't like. Okay, and at last, thanks for watching.